Let me share with you the inspiring story of Peter Hull, the armless swimmer. The actual swimming footage appears at the end. Peter Hull was born in the UK without arms, but he never gave up. As a child, he felt lonely, but at age 10, he discovered swimming. In the water, he was free, fast and graceful. At 20, Peter competed in his first disability swimming competition. He finished last, but he didn't quit. He practiced tirelessly, mastering the technique of steering with his head and generating speed with the stubs of his arms. In 1988, he represented Great Britain at the Seoul Paralympic Games. In 1991, he was honored with the MBE by the British royal family for his achievements. In 1992 at the Barcelona Paralympics, where he set world records and won 3 gold medals. Peter Hull's victory wasn't just about medals, it was a testament to courage and resilience. And he said, "I feel as free as a bird. Push past your limits, never give up, swim through life freely." Don't forget to subscribe and like to watch Peter's actual swimming footage.
Well, it's the big race for the GB Swimmers in the Scotland competition. And incredibly exciting for Ricky Barber's and all under pressure. So remember this to be the only members of the World Championships. He's then 4.82 to qualify for the GB team for England. But look at this man, the lane number 5, what they call world record last night. His world record stands at 32.59. He thinks that is 55. And if that time's confirmed, that 32.52 could be another new world record for Igor Plotnikov.